Today I'm making an almond raspberry tiramisu. First I'm going to whip up 1 cup of heavy cream and whip it up until stiff peaks form and then put that to the side for later. Then in another bowl I'm going to add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Next add 1 tablespoon of almond extract. Then add a half a cup of powdered sugar. Mix that up until it's smooth. Next add the whipped cream and fold that in until it's all combined. Now I'm going to set up by station, so in my first bowl I have 1 cup of cooled espresso. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of amaretto and mix that up until it's combined. Next I'm going to take a ladyfinger and dip both sides in the espresso mixture and then place it in a 9x9 pan until I have one even layer. After that, add about half of the almond cream and spread that out into an even layer. Then I'm going to sprinkle 12 ounces of fresh raspberries on top. Then I'm going to add another layer of the ladyfingers dipped in the espresso. Next I'm going to add the rest of the almond cream and spread that out until I have an even layer. Lastly, I crushed up some freeze-dried raspberries. I'm going to dust that on top and then place this in the fridge for 3 hours before serving. Here's a slice of the almond raspberry tiramisu.